Far to the east, over ranges and rivers, lies a single, solitary LARPBOX.
Hello, I'm Kevrol the Dwarf. I was out killing some Skaven, and one of them dropped some loot. A LARPBOX. Now this is a pretty cool thing. They come in 3 sizes. This is the one in the middle. Maybe later we'll get the big one. But yeah, it is a box that you can get every month that has LARP supplies in it. So that's pretty cool. If you don't know what LARPing is, it's this thing for nerds where they run around with foam swords and they'd like hit each other. It's really weird. No, like nerds. They're like elves. So let's see what's inside. There's a paper showing what's inside. The theme is elves. It's nothing but pointy-eared git stuff. We're gonna have to look. I don't like elves. They remind me of trees. They make me want to take an axe to them. But let's see what's inside. So, these are elf ears for if you want to be pretending to be a pointy-eared pansy. They are not too bad, you can see. Pretty good quality, I think. We'll open them up later. They look like nice latex ears. Probably pretty easy to paint to your own skin color. Yeah, pointy eared. Yeah. They're pretty good, yeah. So this is pretty nice. Let's see what else is here, shall we? Oh. A headband circlet thing. And some elven ear cuffs. So this is some nice hand-tooled leather. Leather stuff's always nice to get. Oh, I love the smell of leather. Pretty good. So that's this dark green color. And then there's a couple of ear accessories. So they look pretty nice. It's always nice to get some medieval bling. Yeah. So what else do we have? Oh, now that's pretty nice. I like that. We have an elven brooch to decorate your attire. That is actually pretty nice. I might wear that one until there's a dwarven LARPBOX, which we all know would be better, because dwarves are the best. The elves might be tall, but that's because they're high elves, and they're always high on something. So that's pretty nice, actually. It seems like very nice quality. Let me open it up and look. Yeah, that's really nice enamel pin. That's actually really nice. I like that. Pretty cool. Oh, now we're talking. We got some weaponry. Let's open it up and see, shall we? You got to handle these elven things kinda rough, 'cause they're not great. Like, oh, me keg fell over. Got to save the brew. Alright, so this is actually a pretty cool LARP weapon. It is a dark elf dagger. You see that? That's pretty cool. Looked like it's fashioned from some kind of dragon bone. It's nice and squishy. Nice LARPy material. Probably nice as a throwing weapon too. That's actually really cool. The paint is nice as well. Not as great as my dwarf forged swords though. I'll have to show you those sometime. Made them myself. And me warhammer is the best. But yeah, pretty good elven dagger. Yeah, that is nice. And then we've got this. I don't know what it is. Seems to be some kind of prissy bag with leaves on it. Maybe it's some pipeweed. That'd be nice. The elves don't have very strong stuff though. They just smoke a lot of it, that's why they're high elves. Oh, now we're talking. We got some grub. We got some spearmint eucalyptus antibacterial stuff, so your hands can smell like a prissy pointy-eared git. Well, I guess it smells pretty nice. Not as good as dwarven smells. Filthy dwarven smells with ale. Oh, I could go for some ale. Yeah. So let's see what else is in here. There's some, like, stuff. I'm having a brain fart. Forgot what that stuff's. Chopstick, duh. Things that elves use. Blech. So yeah, some chopstick for your dry lips. 'Cause elves' words are terribly dry. They just leave your mouth parched. Oh, now this is good stuff. Walker's shortbread. I love some shortbread. I make it my own self. Excuse me. So yeah, that's some good stuff. I always like this stuff. I'm going to eat one now. If I can get it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Shortbread is always good. Some Scottish and dwarvish bread's good. That's good stuff. So I told it was in the box. That's pretty nice, I think. I especially like that elven brooch. It's very nice enamel pin quality. And the dagger is really nice. You can never have enough daggers to keep in your back pocket or even in your grundas. Because you never know when you're gonna need one. To stab at some things. Like Skaven. Oh, I hate the Skaven. They're worse than the Grobbies and the Urks. If I get me hands on some of them, I'ma get them. But yeah, pretty good stuff. Check out LARPBOX. I definitely will get some more, and we'll do some more videos on them. Maybe we'll be lucky. They'll do a dwarf box. They also have some pretty cool stuff for Nerf. They have some muskets that fire rifle balls, which is great because dwarves love black powder. I'm gonna have to get me one of those and paint it up and put some pretty dwarven things on it. Oh yes, a proper dwarven rifle. Yes. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Kevrol the Dwarf. Subscribe for some more LARP things. And if you like Nerf, there'll be a lot of that. See you next time. I'm allergic to elves. Pointy-eared bastard.